Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a PDF editor I developed in the browser, and it actually will be able to edit your PDF files. It's a static web application that I developed in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, so no server-side code is involved right here. It's a Canva clone or Adobe Acrobat PDF editor. You can see we are running it locally, and it's a single page application. So when you land on this application, you will see choose PDF file button will be there. So here, as you click the button, you need to select your PDF file. So as soon as you select the PDF file, you will see the pages will be rendered, and now you will be able to annotate. You will be able to edit the PDF document directly in the browser using all these controls. If you see, we have the ability to add text, link, digital signature, image, annotate, different kinds of shapes. We can even delete pages as well, so undo operation is as well. This is the first page, and then if you want to go to the next page, we also have the previous and the next page. So it's a PDF renderer, and also we can modify this. So let's suppose I want to add text. We simply will be able to add text right here. So you can add any text. Let's suppose this location. So here, just you can control the location here with your mouse here, and even you can change the color using this color picker. You can modify the color as well. So you can see that you can even control the font size if you want bigger, if you want smaller. You can even underline, bold, italic, everything. These are controls. And then we also have ability to digitally draw the signature or upload your custom signature file as well. So you can draw the signature right here. Suppose digital signature. We can even annotate. Let's suppose you want to annotate something. So you just highlight the portion that you want to annotate. You can see that, so you can do that as well. So then we also have the ability to add images. So here you will choose your whatever image file that you need to add. So you can see you can add images as well. You can control it, the size of this image, by using the mouse. It's a single page application, guys. And then you also have ability to add rectangles. You can see that it's very easy. You can edit the PDF text directly here as well. You can change the text here. You can see whatever text written right here, you can even change that as well. Simply click on that and the text will be editable. So you can even change the actual text in the PDF document. That's very important. After you make the changes, there is a button out there, apply changes. So if you click this button, there will be this option, download PDF. So your PDF file will get downloaded with all the modified changes that you have made right here. If you see that, so everything is changed here, all the shapes, all the signature, the text, annotating. You can see the image is also added. So it is entirely built inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript, guys. You can see that no server-side code is involved. So if you need to purchase the full source code, the link is given in the description. So after you purchase it, automatically you will be redirected to Google Drive, where you will actually get the source code, which will contain these three files: the HTML, CSS and the JavaScript. So these three files will be there, and it's very easy to deploy this application as well right in the browser itself. So it is actually using these third-party libraries which are all open source. First of all, we are using Fabric.js, then we are using PDF.js, and then we are also using jsPDF, Html2Canvas. So these are all libraries that we are using here. You can see we are including the CDN. So one by one, let me just show you the libraries. First of all, if you don't know about jsPDF, it's a client-side JavaScript PDF generation library. And then we also are using PDF-LIB, which is again a JavaScript PDF generation library. You can see that. And after that, we are also using Fabric.js as well, which is a JavaScript animation libraries. So we are also using this, and lastly HTML2Canvas to actually take the screenshot with JavaScript. This is also open source package library of JavaScript. So we are using all these libraries to make this nice little PDF editor which can do everything. It's like Canva PDF editor or Adobe Acrobat. So you can directly purchase the full source code, guys. You will get this static website or tool which is entirely built in the browser. No server side code is involved. So the link is given in the description. You can go to my website procodestore.com, and after purchasing it you will get these 3 files, and then you can simply run this index.html by right clicking it, open with live server. So the application will start here, and here you can actually select your PDF file. So now the PDF file will load and we have all these controls. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and also visit my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.